Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel The Shoe Freak. I hope you guys all are doing good. Welcome to a new video. In this video you will going to see more about blue heels ideas. So let's start our video. So blue heels like green heels are a type of footwear characterized by their color, typically featuring blue shades. So I will give you a detailed explanation of blue heels. So first point we will discuss is going to be design and style. So blue heels are available in a wide range of designs and styles. They can have various heel types including stilettos, wedges, block heels and more. So the shoe design can vary from open toe to closed toe, and they can also come in boot styles with high heels. So next we will discuss its color variations. So blue heels come in different shades of blue such as navy blue, royal blue, cobalt blue, baby blue and turquoise. The specific shade of blue can significantly impact the overall look and versatility of the heels. So next we will discuss its materials. Blue heels can be made from a variety of materials such as leather, suede, patent leather, fabric or synthetic materials. So the choice of material affects the shoe's appearance, durability and comfort. Next we will discuss its occasions. Blue heels are suitable for a range of occasions. They can be a stylish choice for both formal events like weddings and parties and more casual settings. The appropriateness of the shade and style of blue may vary depending on the occasion. So next comes outfit coordination. When wearing blue heels, it's important to coordinate them with your outfit. They can complement a wide array of colors including white, black, grey and other shades of blue. So the right outfit and accessories can enhance your overall look. High heels including blue heels may not always be the most comfortable footwear. Pay attention to factors like arch spotting, cushioning and heel shape to ensure a comfortable fit. So I will give you some care and maintenance tips to keep blue heels looking their best and prolong their lifespan. Proper care and maintenance are essential. Protect them from dirt, moisture and scuffs. So fashion trends can influence the popularity and design of blue heels. Different shades of blue may become more fashionable during certain seasons, and unique features or embellishment may be in vogue. So if you plan to wear blue heels for an extended period, consider using insoles or heel cushions to enhance comfort. Practice walking in them to improve stability and balance. Blue heels are a versatile and fashionable footwear choice available in numerous designs, shades and materials. So friends, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, like and share my YouTube channel. I will see you in my next video.